Welcome back to SDLC, the video series that outlines how information technology systems are developed at the MPCA. This video examines the design and build phases of the system development lifecycle. Modern technology systems must be intentionally designed, not only to meet the needs of the business, but also to ensure that they are secure, accessible, and functional. The design and build phases of the SDLC use the detailed business requirements and the project plan from the planning stage to design and build a technology solution. A technical design of the new system outlines the solution for the project. This solution may come from an outside vendor, be built in-house, or be a combination of both. In any case, this step documents the translation of the business requirements into a solution that will meet the needs of the business. All software developed at the state of Minnesota must be secure. The security review serves to identify and document security vulnerabilities, reviews data practices, and establishes permissions and authorizations to make changes. This ensures that the system meets legal security requirements and protects sensitive data for the people of Minnesota. Accessibility is a vital part of good design and is mandated by law. Design. The accessibility review ensures that all new projects comply with legal guidelines, protect the organization from lawsuits, use innovative technology, and makes every effort to develop new applications and systems that are accessible to any individual regardless of their abilities. Software quality assurance ensures that the system meets design specifications and fulfills the business requirements established in the planning stage. The test plan is a document that outlines the requirements, which will be verified in the test phase, what methods will be used to test, and who will be responsible for conducting the tests. The build phase of the SDLC converts the design into a functioning system. All of the work from previous stages is leveraged to ensure that the developers have all the information necessary to create the technology solution. The build phase begins with a technical design review, a systematic examination of the code which is conducted to detect and identify errors and to ensure proper function of the system as a whole. Once actual building begins, the code is stored in a central repository to accommodate for multiple versions of the software and to allow for multiple developers to have access to the source code for a project. Unit testing identifies and scrutinizes the smallest testable parts of the application for proper operation, and test cases establish a set of conditions or variables which will allow a tester to determine whether or not a system or application satisfies business requirements and ensures that the system functions correctly. Each of these steps is performed to ensure the accuracy of the system's ability to meet the business requirements and the accountability of each team member's roles. This process can be iterative. As issues are identified, the requirements are updated and the testing is revised to ensure the ultimate functionality of the system as a whole. Stay tuned. In the next installment of SDLC, we examine the test, implement, and operations and maintenance phases of the system development lifecycle.